Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am making candle holders out of Dollar Tree items. And these are the items that I will be using today. I will first start off by removing the rope from the teacups. I first tried to remove them with my hands and it took a while, so I eventually got a pair of pliers and I cut them off. After that was done, I started on my first candle holder. First, I'll be gluing the tea light on top of the candle holder. And yes, it is a battery operated light, but I will not be turning it on and I will just be using it for the neck of the candle holder. And I'll be gluing the other candle holder on top, and that will complete this candle holder. For my second candle holder, I'll be doing the same thing, but I'm going to be gluing 2 tea lights on top of each other. And now I'm gluing it to the candle holder. And I also glued another candle holder on the other side. And for my third candle holder, I will be connecting 3 tea lights. And now I'll be adding the last candle holder to the second and third candle holder. Now I will be covering the neck of the candle holder with Mod Podge spray. And I use this instead of Mod Podge because I thought it would be easier. And it actually really was. I also took the metal piece off the top, and I'm going to add that back on later. I just didn't want it to get covered in glitter. Next, I'll be adding my gold glitter and shit. But I'm going to be covering the neck and the top of the candle holder with it. And now I'm going to rotate the candle holder and get the back of it. And this is how it looked, so I'll put it to the side and let it dry. And now I'm going to be doing the biggest candle holder. I already covered the smallest one off camera, so that's drying also. After all three of them dried, I went back over them with Mod Podge to seal the glitter in. I then added the gold brackets back on. The last thing I did was let the candle holders dry and add some Dollar Tree candles on top, and this is how it turned out. Y'all, this is a super easy DIY and I had so much fun making it, and this can be the perfect gift for a loved one or a friend for Christmas. Thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, glitter babes.